Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack with Salesforce. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Slack like this. Then you have to log in into your account. And now you have to go to apps here on the left section right here. You have to click on add apps with this plus sign. Then here you will have to search for any application that you want to add or integrate. So here in my case, I will search for Salesforce. And here, as you can see, we have it in the first option. You can simply click on it. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now you can click on add to Slack, and after that you'll have to give it the permission. Just click on allow and it will redirect you. Click on connect and it will redirect you to Salesforce. You have to log in using your account on Salesforce, or if you do not have one, you can simply create one and subscribe to any one of their plans and you will be able to use it on Slack. You will just find it right here in the app section. You can simply select it and use it whenever you want. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.